Hello, welcome to my world, my ideas. Today I'm going to tell you how you can choose graphic styles to design monochrome within minutes. This is not a professional way to design logo. This is the way to get ideas for logo designing. So let's start. First, take type tool and type any letter you want. Here I have typed T letter. You don't have to increase its font size to make it big. Take Selection tool and go to Windows and select Graphic Styles. Open Graphic Styles library by clicking on here. Select Type Effects. Select Shape for Journey 1. Go to Object and select Expand Appearance. Go to Again Object and select Expand. Now you can make it big by holding Ctrl plus Shift. Right-click on it and ungroup it. Click anywhere and separate its parts to confirm how many shapes it has. So you can see it has 4 shapes. The D shape inside black shape is not in need, so we will delete it from Layers panel. Select your object and ungroup. Now you can give it to any color of your choice. If you increase its font size, it will give you a different result as compared to zoom. Let's have a look example of it. Type D letter and increase its font size. Give it shape for Journey 1 effect. Now you can see the difference between both objects. A graphic style is a set of reusable appearance attributes. Graphic styles allow you to quickly change the look of an object. You can find more interesting shapes for monochrome by using other effects on letter. So you can see here are 3 interesting shapes. You can choose one of them and can make creation to a particular shape by changing its fill and stroke and alter its transparency, etc. So this was the way to get the ideas for logo designing. Goodbye till the next video.